Hello everyone. Today we will explore Oracle Advanced Technology, which is a key player in technology world. Oracle offers many powerful tools that help businesses to manage their data efficiently. Learning about Oracle technology will help you understand how modern businesses stay competitive and innovative. This is Kamran Hussain. We will learn about Oracle Real Application Cluster Architecture and Services. So, Oracle Rack allow multiple computers to work together as a single system. Now let us consider a scenario. We have a 24/7 core banking application that runs on a Oracle cluster. Its setup includes three database nodes together with an Oracle ASL. We use high redundancy for three-way mirroring, which means our database is copied once and stored in a three distinct disks. Each database machine has 500 GB RAM and 10 cores. We are using cluster access name that is DB cluster for application or client connection, which combines three database nodes, that is database machine A, database machine B, and the database machine C. For connectivity, we had defined client access name, that is DB cluster, in our application configuration. Thus, we have a strong database and storage availability in this configuration, and also we use client access name for our application communication. So there will be no effect on application services if any of our database nodes fail, and there will be no effect on application if our any storage disk fail. So Oracle Cluster is responsible for managing every resources present in the cluster, including storage disk, database nodes, and other interconnected resources. Oracle Clusterware offers a full set of services for cluster. These services help to manage shared disk and load balancing in Oracle Real Application Cluster databases. RAG databases use multiple servers to share the load and ensure data availability. But Oracle Clusterware is not limited to RAG databases. It can also provide the failover clustering services. So, failover clustering services ensure if one server fails, another server can take over without interrupting the services or our application. Single instance databases can run on one server, but with Oracle Clusterware, they can gain the ability to switch to backup server in case of failure. So, Oracle Clusterware supports both RAG and single instance databases, which offering load balancing and failover capabilities. Furthermore, it can also enhance the reliability and availability of various other applications by managing failover clustering effectively. Let's discuss each services provided by Oracle Clusterware. So, cluster management enables the monitoring, managing of cluster services and application resources. This means you can check the status and control the services from any node within the cluster. Firstly, it helps keep an eye on the health and performance of the cluster. If any service or application faces an issue, you can quickly identify the problem. Secondly, cluster management allows you to manage resources. So, by this, you can start, stop, or move application and services between the nodes. This ensures that everything runs smoothly. Furthermore, it provides a centralized view of entire cluster. So you don't have to log in into each node separately to manage these services. Instead, you can start and control the everything from one place. So cluster management simplifies the administration of cluster. It ensures services and applications are monitored and managed efficiently. As a result, you can get better performance, high availability for your resources. Now, second service provided by Oracle Clusterware is node monitoring, which gives real-time information about which nodes are available in cluster and what resources they support. This helps to keep track of entire cluster status. You can see which node is active and which one is down. Furthermore, node monitoring ensures cluster integrity. If node become unresponsive, it can evicted. Evicting a node means removing it from the cluster to prevent an issue it might cause. Overall, node monitoring provide a crucial information about the node availability and resource allocation. So it protects the cluster integrity by handling the unresponsive nodes. As a result, you can get a more stable and reliable cluster environment. Let's move further about third service, which is event services, which notify application about the changes in the cluster. This means application can stay updated with the current status of the cluster. Furthermore, this helps application respond to changes quickly. For example, if node goes down, the application can shift its workload to another node. This ensures the smooth operation. So, event services play a vital role in the cluster management. They keep application informed about the changes, helping them adopt and maintain the performance. By publishing the cluster events, they ensure that the application and resources are managed effectively and efficiently. If we talk about the cluster-based service, that is time synchronization, which ensures that all nodes in the cluster have same time. This means each node clock is set to match the other node clock. So, time synchronization is essential for the smooth functioning of cluster. It keeps all nodes aligned, ensuring accurate logging, data consistency, application performance. By synchronization time, it helps to manage the cluster effectively and securely. Now, these are last three services provided by Oracle ClusterWare. Let's discuss one by one. First one is network management, which handles the virtual IP addresses for cluster nodes and application resources. This ensures a consistent network identity even some nodes are down. Firstly, IP addresses help maintain the stable connection so users don't notice node changes. Secondly, the grid naming services manage the network naming within the cluster, making it easier to locate and connect to resources. Moreover, these features ensure smooth network operation and improve reliability. So, by managing VIP and network names, network management keeps the cluster accessible and consistent. Second last service is high availability, which ensures all resources are serviced, monitored, and restarted as needed. This keeps everything running smoothly and reduce downtime. If something fails, it quickly restarts to maintain the continuous operation. This guarantees reliability and stability of entire system. Last service provided by Oracle ClusterWare is Cluster Interconnect Link Aggregation, which combines multiple network links between cluster nodes into one. This boosts data transfer speed and reliability. By using several links together, it prevents a single link failure from disturbing communication. This ensures faster and more stable connection within the cluster. Let me conclude it. Oracle ClusterWare supports the shared disk and load balancing in Oracle RAC databases. It also offers failover clustering for single instance Oracle databases and other applications. This means it keeps data available and balance workload across multiple servers. If one server fails, another take over to maintain services. This ensures continuous and efficient operation of databases and applications. Imagine you have a database that needs to handle a lot of users. Oracle ClusterWare helps to distribute the load across the several servers, so no single server is overburdened. For instance, if one server goes down, Oracle ClusterWare moves the workload to another server without any interruption. This is critical for online services like e-commerce sites where downtime can mean loss of sale. Additionally, if you have a single server database, Oracle ClusterWare can still help. So, Oracle ClusterWare ensures that your database and application remain available and efficient no matter what happens.